In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a report in Lightning Experience on Salesforce. This guide is perfect for those looking to analyze and visualize their data within Salesforce effectively. Let's dive in and see how you can create reports that provide insights and drive decision making. First, let's get started by accessing the app launcher within Salesforce. Type reports into the search bar and select it. This will take you into the main reporting area where you can manage all your reporting needs. Now that we're in the report section, look towards the top right corner and click the new report button. This is your gateway to creating a fresh custom report tailored to your specific requirements. Once you've clicked that button, you'll find yourself in the Choose Report Type window. Here you'll need to think about what data you want to analyze. You'll see a variety of objects to choose from, such as accounts, opportunities, or cases. Simply search for and select the object most relevant to your report. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to proceed further. Now you're in the report builder. This is where the real magic happens. In the report builder, you can customize your report by adding or removing columns. This step is crucial for ensuring only the most relevant data is displayed, so make use of the columns pane or the search bar to tailor it to your needs. You can also enhance your report by grouping rows or columns. This feature helps in organizing data logically, making it easier to identify patterns and insights. Next, let's refine your data using the filters panel on the left. You can specify date ranges or other conditions to focus on the data that truly matters to you. This step is particularly useful for targeting specific time periods or demographic data within your report. In addition to basic filters, you have the option to add specific field filters, enabling you to drill down even further into your data, ensuring that your report is both precise and comprehensive. At this point, you might want to visualize your data with a chart. This is an optional step but can greatly enhance the readability of your report. To add a chart, click the Add Chart button, represented by a bar graph icon. Once you've added a chart, choose from various types such as bar, line, or donut to best represent your data, and configure it as needed for optimal impact. With all your configurations complete, it's time to save or run your report. Click Save or Run, then enter a name, description, and folder location for your report. This information will help you and your colleagues easily find and understand the report's purpose later. Finally, click Save to ensure all your hard work is preserved. And there you have it, you've successfully built a report in Lightning Experience on Salesforce. This tool is incredibly powerful for helping you uncover insights and make informed business decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting.